How to set units and limits in AutoCAD step by step. I am using AutoCAD 2022 version. When you open AutoCAD, this is how the user interface looks like. Here under recent documents, the drawings which you have drawn already will be displayed here. Now we are going to open new template. Select acad.dwt. Click this and the screen will look like this. This symbol is the cursor. This cursor looks like two intersecting lines. This type of cursor is called point selection cursor. As you know that this is the working area. Now let's start to set the units and limits. First, to set unit, you have to type in the comment box UN enter, or you can simply type units. This dialog box will be open here. Under type, you have to click this. Here you have to select engineering. Then under precision, here 0 feet 0 inches. The first option you have to click. Under insertion scale, you have to select inches. Now click OK. Now type limits in the comment box. Limits, enter. Now you can see the AutoCAD is asking to specify lower left corner. If we take a graph, what is the origin point? Obviously 0, 0. Here also lower left corner is 0, 0. So type 0 feet, 0 feet. Enter. Always lower left corner is 0, 0. Next, AutoCAD is asking to specify upper right corner. If I am going to draw in the area of about 50 feet by 50 feet, then that is the upper right corner. Type 50 feet, 50 feet and enter. How to check whether the limit is set correctly? For that, go to status bar. This is the status bar. Snap settings. Here you have to uncheck this display grid beyond limits. Uncheck, then click OK. Now you have to type Z. Z means zoom, enter. Now you have to type A, enter. You can type A, enter, or you can click that all also. When you do that, you can see the limit has been set here. Now you can see your area 50 feet by 50 feet has been set within this grid. Next option is you have to type de-enter. De-enter means dim style, that is dimension style. Click modify. Here you have to modify 3 options. First you have to go primary units. Here in the unit format, already you have selected engineering. So here also you have to select engineering. Then precision, same 0 feet 0 inches. Okay, let it be. Next you have to go text. You have to type text height here. I am going to give 2 feet. Next go to symbols and arrows. Here also you have to type arrow size. I am going to give here 1 feet. Now press OK. And don't forget to click set current so that the current changes have been set here. Now click close. Finally, you have to type here ucsicon. Press enter. Here you have to see whether it is in on. If it is an off option, you have to press this on, okay? So that this axis line is displayed here, x-axis and y-axis. Now let's check by drawing 50 feet by 50 feet line. For that you have to press L enter. L enter means line command will display. AutoCAD is asking to specify first point. So specify first point by clicking here. 50 feet enter. 50 feet enter. 50 feet enter. At last you can join here. Now press escape key so that you can get rid of from line command. Now let's check our dimension here by clicking dimension. Specify first point here, specify second point here, and you can see our dimension is absolutely correct. Now we can check this side also. Specify first point, specify second point. Our units and limits has been set correctly. So in this way you can check whether you have set your units and limits correctly or not. My main aim is I won't confuse you by teaching you all commands. I will teach you in a very easy, understandable way so that you can grasp it very quickly. I hope this video is helpful to you. In the coming series, I will post videos in a very understandable and easy way. So keep watching it. Thank you.